Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yours truly Making here. If you guys want to see how I went from this chaotic shoe closet to this luxury shoe closet with limited space and budget, then you need to watch, and it is also an IKEA hack. So you will be shocked how many shoes fit in this new closet. Let's get started. You guys really enjoyed my video on bathroom storage problems for small bathrooms. For some, my apartment might be considered a large city apartment, but it is not a large house, and I suffer from storage and organization problems every day. I have decided to continue and create a playlist series of other small room problems and situations. And you know me, I love solving these problems by number one, thinking outside the box and with as little budget as possible. If it works with little coins, why spend unnecessary money? We have all seen those spacious walk-in closets and rooms with a significantly large space for shoes. They are truly organized like an art constellation or art arrangement. Well, I had only 1 meter from my IKEA wardrobe. This shoe cabinet was actually built earlier and shown on my old lifestyle channel, but I had to tear it all down after the mold situation. Let me show you the original build, then I will jump back in to show you changes after the post-mold rebuild and another similar closet I built in my beauty room for my bags and some boots with even less space. Okay. Let's get started with removal. Some decluttering, not all shoes were necessary to keep.
Come together, make us better.
And finally, a good deep cleaning. Here I am packing out the pull-out complement shelves from IKEA's pack system in the oak look, and they will be my new shoe shelves. I went in and positioned some of the shoes that I want to store on the first bottom shelf so I could calculate at what position to install the next shelf.
Everybody come together, come together. Everybody come together, come together. Everybody come together, come together.
And so on. And so on. And so on. Then come the doors. And the pools. I installed not only sensor lights to come on when opening the doors, but lights I could manually turn on if needed. Okay guys, after rebuilding my shoe closet after the whole mold fiasco, you can be assured that I took pics of the shoe closet before to make sure I got everything perfectly back arranged how it was before. You guys know my neurotic brain. One thing I did was I opted against the original sensor lights. Number one, because I have the new sensor lights across the top of the closet, as well as the whole complete closet. And also those original sensor lights, they needed a more darker atmosphere for the sensor to work correctly. When all my lights were on here in the hallway, the sensor did not really register to turn on the lights. They're a little sensitive to too much light. So just keep that in thought think about that if you're thinking about buying them. But one thing I did do was I kept the manual click-on lights just in case for the shelves further down I needed a little bit more light. And I can always turn them off or keep those on if I want to. Now, you want to know how many shoes are in here? We just counted. 83. And actually the top shelf only has these 3 boots up here, so I have more room in the back there. And the bottom shelf, which I believe when I pull out there's going to be a little kitty back there too. Okay, I thought she went in there. When you pull out this bottom shelf, you see that I am using a little space here to store my attachments to my vacuum. As soon as I find a better storage solution for those, I have even more space here. So, to tell you the truth, in the end, I probably can get over 100 or at least close to 100 pairs of shoes in this closet. I needed a closet to offer my large collection of tie bags and my higher boots that could not fit in my shoe closet a nice home of their own. My beauty room is very narrow, only about 160 centimeters, a little over 5 feet in width. When I stand in the middle of the room with both arms extended out, I can almost touch the walls left and right with my fingertips. But IKEA offers the same cabinets and all components in a shallower, not so deep depth.
Come together, make us better. Right now, come together. We're together. Right now, everybody come together, come together. 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 Everybody listen up.
I just use white pull-out components instead of the oak look.
Gotta come together, east, north, west, south. There's a couple things we gotta figure out. See, I love independence, but we're stronger as a team. Leaning on each other, trying to make it to a dream. It If you get there first, you see me running out of steam. Don't forget to reach back ahead for me now. Yes, we're better. We're together. Come together now. Make us better. Come together. Right now. Come together. Right now. Everybody come together, come together. 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 Everybody listen up, everybody stop. No matter where you're coming from or what you're about. Gotta get together for a time runs out. Time for all of us to take a different ride. Yeah, everybody's different, everybody is unique. And our differences will help each other reach a peak. If we wanna see a change, it's up to you and me. Gotta help each other make it to our dreams now. Yes, we're better. When we're together. Come together make us better.
And voila, I have a new closet, especially for my bags and my higher boots to keep everything beautiful and organized. And I actually have an extra sensor light left over from the new closet build that I eventually am also going to install in this closet. You guys, the next small space storage problems video is for coffee tables and for kitchens with probably the smallest pantry in the world, I swear. I hope you stop back by, and as always, yours truly, Heart Making. All right, to me, no, that's Apollo. He's trying to get back in there. He actually jumped up there and opened the door. I knew this was going to be a problem when you're filming with cats.